G'day everybody and welcome to another blog post from Williams Occupational Therapy. Today we're talking about hand controls for people that might have difficulties with their lower limbs and driving. I've done a recent blog post in regards to different types of hand controls that you might not see in other driving instructors' cars, but this time we're going to talk about more of the conventional types of hand controls that you might see around the place. Williams Occupational Therapy offers driver assessments and rehabilitation for those who might be struggling with their driving. The full assessment gives us an idea of what the issues might be, and then the rehabilitation program is all about getting people to drive safely and appropriately and get that independence back. But what's more is Williams OT installs modifications to help people drive, and that's what we're going to be discussing today. Today we're going to be talking about mechanical hand controls. What we've got here today is set up is a push-pull hand control, and we've also got a little conversion that we can do to make it push radial. You will choose one or the other. The push-pull hand controls are set up so that when you push, it brakes the car, and there's a lever actually attached down to the brake pedal. This has got a setup where it pulls the accelerator when you pull the hand control. And I've got the car on and you'll hear it rev in the background. Using your thumb against the steering wheel gives you some stability against driving against the camber of the road. It also gives you a lever to be able to rev the car. And you're also within fairly good reach of your indicator if it's on the right hand side of the vehicle. Otherwise your spinner knob's set up so you can get easy access to your indicator on the left hand side if it's a European built car. The other version of a hand control that we might see around the place and what we've got set up in our car is the push radial. Again, push for braking, but on this occasion it's a pat down for accelerator. So if I just adjust it slightly in here to switch it over, we've got now radial. With the radial, you can do accelerating and braking at the same time, which we don't advise, but if you're on a steep hill, then that can be an advantage. It also allows you to rest the arm, but it is a little bit trickier to get the acceleration rate right, and some people can be a little bit excessive on the accelerator, especially to start off with while they get used to it. But again, that is two hand controls that we've got in the Williams Occupational Therapy car to try out, and if you'd like to give us a call to try some of these out, please get in contact with Williams Occupational Therapy, and the best way to do that is of course a Google search. Thanks very much for listening. See ya.